How to extend the life of your beloved cat, a guide to feline longevity. Cats bring joy, companionship, and unconditional love into our lives. As responsible pet owners, it is our duty to provide them with a healthy and fulfilling life. While cats have relatively shorter lifespans compared to humans, there are several steps you can take to maximize their longevity and ensure they live a happy, healthy, and fulfilling life by your side. In this video, we will explore practical tips and guidelines on how to extend the life of your beloved feline companion. Provide a nutritious diet. A balanced and nutritious diet is crucial for maintaining your cat's health and promoting longevity. Feed your cat high-quality commercial cat food that meets their specific nutritional requirements. Consult with your veterinarian to determine the appropriate type and amount of food based on your cat's age, size, and any specific health concerns. Avoid overfeeding, as obesity can lead to various health issues. Regular veterinary care. Schedule regular checkups with a trusted veterinarian to monitor your cat's overall health. Routine examinations, vaccinations, and preventive treatments for parasites, such as fleas and ticks, are essential. Early detection of any potential health problems allows for prompt treatment, increasing the chances of a positive outcome. Encourage physical exercise. Regular exercise helps keep your cat's weight in check, promotes muscle tone, and improves overall cardiovascular health. Provide your feline friend with toys, scratching posts, and interactive playtime to stimulate their natural hunting instincts and keep them active. Consider setting aside dedicated play sessions each day to engage in interactive play with your cat. Environmental enrichment. Create a stimulating and enriching environment for your cat. Offer scratching posts, climbing trees, and interactive toys to keep them mentally and physically engaged. Rotate toys periodically to prevent boredom. Consider providing access to windows or outdoor enclosures that offer a safe and secure way for your cat to experience the outdoors. Dental care. Oral health plays a significant role in a cat's overall well-being. Establish a regular dental care routine by brushing your cat's teeth, using toothpaste specifically formulated for cats. Regular dental checkups with your veterinarian are also essential to identify and address any dental issues promptly. Stress reduction. Reducing stress in your cat's life is vital for their longevity. Cats are sensitive creatures that thrive in calm and stable environments. Provide them with a safe space where they can retreat when they feel anxious or overwhelmed. Minimize exposure to loud noises, abrupt changes, or stressful situations that may impact their well-being. Neutering/spaying. Consider spaying or neutering your cat. These procedures not only help control the feline population, but also offer health benefits such as reducing the risk of certain cancers and behavioral problems. Keep them indoors. While outdoor exploration can be tempting for cats, keeping them indoors significantly reduces the risk of accidents, exposure to diseases, and encounters with predators or other animals. Ensure your indoor environment is stimulating and enriching to compensate for the lack of outdoor experiences. By following these guidelines, you can significantly increase the chances of extending your cat's life and providing them with a happy and fulfilling existence. Remember, each cat is unique, so pay attention to their individual needs and consult with your veterinarian for personalized advice. Your efforts towards maintaining their health, happiness, and overall well-being will undoubtedly contribute to a long, and cherished companionship with your feline friend.